How to remove profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove your profile picture on Facebook Lite. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you'd like to remove your profile picture on Facebook Lite, now the issue here is quite simple because if I open the Facebook Lite app, I'm logged into my account, and then if I just tap my profile icon from the top left, and then I would like to delete my particular profile picture by typing the C profile picture, but if I tap the three lines option, you can see that there is no option to delete it. So how do I delete my profile picture? Via the Facebook Lite app. Well, the trick here is very simple. What you need to do is you need to scroll down a bit further below until you see an option that says photos, which shows all of your photos you have. Now from photos, select the option known as profile pictures, and then just make sure to tap on it. As you do that, you will see all of your profile picture. The current existing one is this one right over here, so I'm selecting that picture. And now what you have to do is, now when you tap the three dots option and then you tap the delete option, you'll find an option to delete them. So now you can just go ahead and then proceed to delete them. That's all it takes to remove your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.